everyone, I'm Hiba. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back again with another video, and this time we're gonna talk about research scholarships. As most of you might already know that you can find research scholarships listed on the university websites and you can easily find over there, but today this video is not about only those scholarships. My top 3 ways include different and unique ways of finding research scholarships that you might not know before. So if you're really interested to know more about it, then keep watching this video. Okay, so the first way through which I find research scholarship is a website called Findaphgcom. Just go to Google and type findaphgcom and you will find this website, and it is pretty simple to use. You can start by searching here for projects or research scholarships. So the interesting thing about this website is it's not just list the scholarships available through a relevant university, but it also mentions and highlights the funded projects through and through this website you can apply to those funded projects, which is quite interesting. So to give an example, I will search for a scholarship. For example, I'll say I want to do in business and finance. You can search by categories as well. So now it is showing me the research scholarships and as well as the funded projects. For example, the first two are the funded projects. For example, this is a 4-year PhD studentship in applying a flexibility capital framework to drive an inclusive energy transition, available at University College London. And if you go further, you'll see just the degree name in which a research scholarship is available. So it will give you plenty of options and you will have quite a list for yourself to apply. So I will not go into more detail because I want to keep this video short rather than make it a long one. But if you have any questions regarding this website and on how to find a particular scholarship, you can just leave your questions in the comment box below and I'll make sure I'll answer them. So having said that, let's just move to the second trick. So the second trick is also very simple. You just have to go to linkedin.com. I'm sure most of you would know about this. You have to sign in. I'm already signed in, and then just simply go to jobs, and here you can find research scholarships just by typing here. For example, I have already searched for some. You can just say PhD in business, and in the area either you can say worldwide or you can say a particular area made. So for example, Australia. So okay, so in business you might not find a lot of scholarships, but LinkedIn is pretty good for searching research scholarship related to medical field. So if I go worldwide, I'm sure it will show me some. Okay, so it's showing me one in Tilburg University, Netherlands, and then if you keep going, it is also showing me one in operational data analytics in Germany. And yeah, you can find more here, but the only drawback is it's gonna be mixed with jobs, because basically they're posted like a job opening, so it might be a bit confusing. But other than that, you can find really good opportunities through this trick. So for example, if I go into this PhD traineeship program, then you can see the details over here, the closing date, last date to apply over here, the requirements over here and here, and you can simply apply through this apply button over here, or you can just go to the university website itself. Don't underestimate LinkedIn, because it's a pretty damn good platform, and I have actually landed my first research opportunity through LinkedIn. So yeah, it might not be showing much for business students here for now, but I'm sure if you keep checking every week, you'll find new opportunities listed here as well. So let's go to trick number 3. So the third and the last trick is not something that I'm gonna show you via my laptop or screen recording, because it's something you have to do in person, and it's called networking. Yeah, so networking is my top third way of finding a research scholarship, and I have actually landed a few projects, research projects, through networking. So don't hold yourself to just asking your lecturers or your colleagues or your class fellows if they know about any research scholarships. Most of the time the professors and lecturers have ideas in their head that they want to work on, but they don't have time because they're supervising, they're teaching, they're marking assessments, so they need students for work for them. So it's better just to ask. I have it's a tested way, because I have actually got few research papers just by networking and asking my professors if there's something I can help with, or is there any particular area where I can help them, and it worked for me, and I hope it works for you too. Okay, so these were my top 3 ways of finding research scholarships, and they definitely worked for me, and I hope they worked for you too. And if they did, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys, and let me know which one you like the best. Also, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment box below, and I'll make sure I answer them. That's all for me today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. See you next time.